So last year you were able to distribute 52,000 seed packages. How many are you looking at this, especially in the two containment areas in Suva and Nosori?
We are starting with about 10,000 seed package now, but that's what we have now. As we speak, we got 10,000 seed packages. Like each package, this is what we call a package. In this, we've got about 5 to 6 vegetable seeds. So we've got 10,000 of this. So we're looking at immediately rolling this out. But as we do, while we are distributing, we've got a set of staff at our research station, the head main research station in Cornebia, where they're doing the packaging. So we're looking at maybe another 30,000. PS is working with the finance staff to procure more. So we think that we will be able to get to all the households that require, that has space, and would want to engage in gardening.
This question it follows the distribution of the seed packages from last year, and is the ministry doing a follow-up on how the seeds have been utilized?
The seed packages that we distributed last year, we've got the database, the phone numbers, the address, where it has gone. And we are doing follow-up, and also the other follow-up that is the visible volume of supply that we saw. And we're very pleased with that. We're actually very pleased with that. In this case, we are not going to get any data in terms of, phone number and, because of the situation. But we will get data on which street, how many households were given. That data we will have, and later on we could do a follow-up visit. But we will not be having individual household data like we collected last time, because we don't want to spend more than a minute with each household. We don't want to interact with them much.
So in regards to the other 30,000 that you've said, will this be the other 30,000 plus the other 30,000? Right. Will this be from the seedlings that India has donated, or is this what you guys already have?
No, we will have a separate announcement about the seed that we received from the donor country. This is our project at the moment.